Want a fast home network? Then keep watching. We'll give you some expert advice on how to make your home network run faster in a little over 2 minutes. Ready? Here we go. First, let's define what a network is. A network is 2 or more devices connected together that can talk to each other. For instance, that might be a phone, a tablet, and a TV connected to a wireless router. If you're watching this from home, chances are you have a home network. A properly set up home network, any home network that is going to be based on the 3 S's. That's speed, safety, and stability. If you want more details on the 3 S's, check out our video on how to buy your next router. The link is in the description. The S we're focused on in this video is speed. There's a golden rule when it comes to network speed that you always have to keep in mind. A network is only as fast as its slowest connection. For example, if you have fast internet but a slow router, you're not going to be able to take advantage of that internet speed because your home network is only going to move as fast as the router allows. Speaking of routers, that's one reason why we suggest you buy your own, instead of relying on the generic one your internet service provider gives you. A router that fits your specific needs can satisfy the 3 S's a whole lot better. Another part of your home network that you want to pay attention to is the setup itself, or the configuration, to be more specific. That means every wireless device in your home needs to be set up properly to maximize speed, and this is not as hard as you might think. You, someone you know, or a product support representative can help you get that done. To make things even easier, stay tuned to Technology in Plain English because there's more advice where this came from. The last tip for a faster home network is to use wireless AC where possible. Wireless AC is faster than all of the wireless standards that have come before it, and it tends to be less prone to interference. Again, check out our video on how to buy your next router for more details on how it works. And stop by and join us for more videos as we explain technology in plain English.